you are amazing. Palakpakan po natin sa Marisa. Amazing.
Thank you again.
Oh, it is my pleasure. It is my pleasure. Anytime you need me, you know that I'm always gonna be here. Whether to sing in your concert or just even to talk to me about anything and everything. I will always be here.
It's so lovely to have the privilege to just share so many with you. Thank you so much.
It is an honor for me to be in your 15th year anniversary. Like I said, I think you are an amazing singer. You have so many talents. Grabe, you write songs, you play so many instruments, and not only that, you can act. You know, that's a magandang combination yun eh, diba? Oh, maarte lang.
Wala akong Miss Reg. Tingnan mo naman yung aking
Oh, ay, si Susan at si Amalia nag-retro. Hello!
Thank you, Miss Reg, and thank you. I actually wanted to also remind everybody of Bisaya man is si Miss Reg.
Bisaya! Good po. Uy!
Diba?
Salamat kaayo kay, ano ba yan? Pinakanta mo ako doon sa Ihila. It's one of my favorite songs of hers. My favorite talaga na namalat ka nakakakanta kasi pajulit-julit ko pinapatugtog yung, ano nga yung kanta mo? Yung, which one? Ang dami ni Strange.
Ano na? Do you have anything? Sure.
Hindi, yung kinanta natin dati.
Ay, yung ano, akin.
Oo, yun.
Akin ka na lang.
Oo, namalat ka din tayo. Namalat ka. Sa pajulit-julit ko talaga pinapaganda. I love that song.
Me too.
And not only because it was such a great song, I think I loved it because I loved the way you sang it. It was very sincere, and the ad-libs and the end. Yung saktong-sakto lang, yung hindi ka nagyayabang na kaya ko to, no? Hindi, parang, eto yun.
Shoutout ko na rin po si Kuya Kiko Salazar, of course.
Yes, I think it's such a beautiful song and you sang it really, really well. I just want to say thank you for inviting me here. And yun nga, I just wanted to greet you happy anniversary. And I hope that you continue this journey. Madami ka pang mararating, marami ka pang may experience, mas gagaling ka pa.
Coming from your message. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
so, and I'm also very happy that your parents are here. Asa man sila?
Uy,
Asa man? Oo ka na. Oo na. Di ay sila. Oy. Hello, oy. Hello.
Actually, beside to si Miss Risha, sobrang nag-check up on me during that. Mari, okay ka na. Lalo na pag may mga nababasa si Miss Risha, like, Mari, nandito lang ako.
No, because I can relate. You know, and I also wanted to not just be a friend on stage, but also be involved, hopefully, in your lives. Yung mga kabataan ngayon, kasi syempre parang gusto kong maging tenga, maging boses ninyo, na gusto ko lang malaman ninyo na I really am just here. And I may not always be there, yung parang alam mo yung mga nakakadiring friend. Yung mga nakaganon, yung nakadikit sa'yo lagi. hindi ako ganong klaseng friend, but anytime you would need me for anything and everything, I will be here.
Thank you, Mr. Everybody, once again, Mr. Regine Velasquez, I've got the one and only summer! Miss
Troy!
Reg.
Hi, Troy!
Miss Reg, syempre di pwedeng isang kanta na.
Kapag ano yung dance number?
Miss Reg, would you do me the honor to sing this very special song with you?
Yes!
But before we get into it, I also just want to share na sobrang special po itong song na to for me specifically because I'm not sure if you remember, but I think the very first time that we shared the room together, it was a gala and you were seated as a guest and I performed and it was this song. I'm not sure if you remember. Yung ganun yung buhok ko. And so, it would be an honor, Miss Reg, to sing this song with you and for everybody.
Yes, it would be my pleasure.
Thank you so much. The one and only Regine!